Iblis and Adam, the both of them, they disobeyed Allah. But their disobediences were different. As for Iblis, he disobeyed out of arrogance and he refused to prostrate to Adam. And as for Adam, he disobeyed out of weakness. He was seduced, he was tempted. And when the both of them committed their sin, what was their response? Iblis did not seek Allah's forgiveness. Rather, Iblis in his arrogance, he blamed Allah. The Quran says, when Allah said to Iblis, why didn't you prostrate? What was your problem? So he blamed Allah, Rabbi bima aghwaytani. Oh my Lord, you're the one who caused me to go astray. It's not my fault. You're the one who did this. You're the one who decreed this. What was Adam's response? رَبَّنَا ظَلَمْنَا أَنفُسَنَا وَإِن لَمْ تَغْفِرْ لَنَا وَتَرْحَمْنَا لَنَكُونَنَّ مِنَ الْخَاسِرِينَ. Look at the two different responses to the two different sins. The both of them are sinners. Iblis committed a sin, but his sin led to kufr. His sin led to rejection. Adam committed a sin. His sin led to penitence, led to repentance, led to tawbah. So Allah Azza wa Jal accepted the repentance of Adam. Why? Because Adam made dua to Allah, رَبَّنَا ظَلَمْنَا أَنفُسَنَا. Oh Allah, I have wronged myself. We have wronged ourselves. And if you don't forgive us and you don't have mercy on us, then we will be from those who are lost. Iblis became more arrogant. It's not my fault, it's your fault. You decreed this. You are not an angel and I'm not an angel. We commit sins. But what is the response when we commit a sin? Do we want to follow Adam? We want to follow Iblis. We follow Adam, رَبَّنَا ظَلْمَنَا أَنفُسَنَا. Oh Allah, I have wronged myself. It's my fault. Forgive me. Follow Iblis? It's no big deal. It's not my fault. The sin of arrogance is always worse than the sin of desire. It's not saying that the sin of desire is halal. Of course it's not halal. But the sin of Adam was the sin of being seduced, tempted. He wanted something of a shahwa, something of a pleasure. And this sin is wrong, but it is not as bad as the sin of arrogance. The sin of arrogance is the sin of Iblis. If anybody finds himself committing a sin, then acknowledge it is a sin. At least acknowledging it is a sin, you have some hope. Now nobody misinterpret and say that, oh, I am saying go ahead and commit this sin. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. But we have two options again. And the one is to know it is a sin. And the other is to say, why is this haram? I don't care if it's haram. And what I'm saying is to reject Allah's sharia. To reject, why is alcohol haram? I don't care. Maybe it's haram for you guys, it's halal for me. If anybody says this, he is following Iblis and this is kufr. To reject Allah's command is kufr. To not follow it perfectly, this is a sin. Iblis turned to Allah eventually, and Adam turned to Allah. But look at so many differences. Now, the first difference, when did they turn to Allah? When did they turn to Allah? Iblis at the very end when there was no other hope. Adam at the very beginning when he realized he committed a sin. As soon as Adam realized he committed a sin, immediately, رَبَّنَا ظَلَمْنَا أَنفُسَنَا. Iblis, he kept on arguing with Allah. Oh Allah, I am better than him. I am created from nar, he is created from teen. You caused me to do this. Until when finally Allah Azza wa Jal gave him the last curse. إِنَّ عَلَيْكَ لَعْنَتِي إِلَى يَوْمِ الدِّينِ. My la'na is upon you to the very end of time. Now Iblis is trapped. There is no hope for Iblis. So what does he do? قَالَ أَنظِرْنِي إِلَى يَوْمِ يُبْعَثُونَ. Oh Allah, let me live until the day of judgment. قَالَ أَنظِرْنِي. Let me, I want to live till the day of judgment. We learn from this, the believer never delays asking Allah. The mu'min